At Lovens, we're on a mission to transform cities into safer, cleaner and more enjoyable places to live by offering a great alternative to cars. We believe that cargo bikes are perfectly suited to replace a car in an urban environment. Our solution is a cargo bike that is the perfect combination of style, safety and comfort. A cargo bike that lets you navigate easily through traffic, that looks stylish and offers a comfortable and safe ride to transport your kids and your belongings. We introduce you the Lovens Explorer, a game changer with unparalleled features designed for everyday use and carefree fun. Lovens' premium design provides you with the feeling of freedom while stealing the show on the streets. The frame and box gracefully merge into a unified whole. The LED daytime running lights and battery are integrated into the design of the bike to give it an extra stylish look. You have an option to give the bike a distinguished touch by choosing your preferred styling kit. Our EPP box, surrounded with an aluminium tube, is designed for ultimate protection while keeping the cargo bike lightweight. It's a unique feature that prioritizes your family's well-being. To create the safest cargo bike experience there is, we offer a Lovens Explorer with an advanced anti-lock braking system for more control and safer rides. This system, just like in cars, prevents slipping on slippery surfaces and also significantly reduces braking distances. The cargo bike is also equipped with front suspension, providing a luxurious and comfortable journey for you and your kids. The Lovens Explorer takes urban navigation to the next level with cable steering. This innovation ensures smooth and precise control when you're steering into tight corners. A belt drive combined with a powerful Bosch system with kiosk display are designed to make you move through the city effortlessly. Thanks to the optional automatic shifting system, you're always in the right gear. The transmission also shifts while pedaling under high capacity. Our premium accessories make sure your kids and belongings are protected, also when the weather is less attractive. We believe that these shared specifications form the basis of your modern cargo bike. This means you always travel in style, safely and comfortably.